Hi everyone, how are you? I hope all are doing good. Welcome back Murahari Maths online classes. Today I would like to explain integration problems. Okay, now explain very important model. If the given integral is of the form integral x square plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus or minus lambda x square plus 1 dx, or integral x square minus 1 by x to the power 4 plus or minus lambda x square plus 1 dx, or integral dx by x to the power 4 plus or minus lambda x square plus 1, or integral x square dx by x to the power 4 plus or minus lambda x square plus 1. Okay, where lambda is constant. Okay, now explain working rule. Divide x square on numerator as well as denominator, then take x plus 1 by x is equal to t, or x minus 1 by x is equal to 2, and x minus 1 by x is equal to t. This is the working rule. Okay, now explain this based on problems. Okay, now explain it based on problems. Integral x square minus 1 dx by x to the power 4 plus 1. So what is the working rule? Divide x square on numerator as well as denominator. So divide x square on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, now it will going to be x square minus 1 by x square dx, and denominator x to the power 4 plus 1 by x square. Okay, now it will going to be, so x square by x square 1 minus 1 by x square upon x to the power 4 by x square. We get x square plus 1 by x square. So what is the form in numerator? 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay, let us take x plus 1 by x is equal to t. X plus 1 by x is equal to t. So why? Because differentiation of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay. Now differentiation on both sides. X plus 1 by x equal to t. So now differentiation with respect to x on both sides. So differentiation of x, we get 1. Okay. Plus differentiation of 1 by x, we get minus 1 by x square dx equal to dt. If x plus 1 by x equal to t, then numerator will be dt. Okay. Now x plus 1 by x equal to t. Now squaring on both sides. X plus 1 by x whole square equal to t square. Okay. Now it would be x square plus 1 by x square plus 2ab. 2 into x into 1 by x equal to t square. Where x get cancelled. Now we have to find x square plus 1 by x square. Plus 2 bring the right side. Therefore x square plus 1 by x square equal to t square minus 2. Okay. Okay. So let us take x plus 1 by x equal to t. Then we have got 1 minus 1 by x square dx dt, and x square plus 1 by x square value t square minus 2. Okay. Now on substituting in this, so 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Okay. It replaced by dt by x square plus 1 by x square. We have got t square minus 2. So t square minus 2 minus 2. Okay, this 2 written as 2 whole square. So this is in the form of dx by x square minus a square. So variable square minus constant square. What is the formula? 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay, now 1 by 2 into, where a place in right root 2, 1 by 2a log mod x minus a by x plus a, t minus root 2 by t plus root 2 plus c. Okay, it will going to be 1 by 2 root 2 log of, in the place of t, we should write x plus 1 by x minus root 2 by x plus 1 by x plus root 2. Okay, so 1 by 2 root 2, it will going to be log of, so let us do LCM, x square plus, what is LCM? X square plus 1 minus x square plus 1 minus root 2x, this whole divided by, so after LCM xx get cancelled, so this is x square, numerator x square plus 1 plus root 2x, so this is answer. Okay, moving to next question. So integral dx by sine to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x. Okay, now divide cos to the power 4x, divide cos to the power 4x on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so integral, so dx by cos to the power 4x upon sine to the power 4x by cos to the power 4x plus cos to the power 4x by cos to the power 4x. In this one, cos to the power 4x get cancelled. It will going to be 1 by cos to the power 4x is nothing but secant to the power 4x. So secant square x into right, secant square x by 1 plus, this is sine by cos tan to the power 4x. Okay, so let us take tan x is equal to t. Now differentiation on both sides, differentiation of tan x, we get secant square x dx is equal to dt. Okay, now it will going to be integral 1 secant square x dx. This place in, we should write dt. 1 secant square x formula, we have 1 plus tan square x into secant square x dx. Secant square x dx, we have got dt by 1 plus, where tan to the power 4x, this place in, we should write a t power 4. Okay, tan x to the power 4. So integral 1 plus tan square x, this place in, we should write a t square dt by 1 plus t to the power 4. Okay, this is the in the form of integral 1 plus x square by, this is in the form of 1 plus x square by x to the power 4 plus lambda x square plus 1. Okay, where lambda value is 0. So what is the working rule? Divide x square on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, now explain this continuation. Integral 1 plus t square dt by 1 plus t to the power 4. Okay, what is working rule? Divide t square on numerator as well as denominator. So divide t square on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, integral 1 plus t square, divide t square on numerator as well as denominator, 1 by t square plus t to the power 4 by t square. Now we get t square get cancelled, 1 t square get cancelled in this one denominator, 1 plus 1 by t square dt. Integral 1 plus 1 by t square dt by t square plus 1 by t square. Okay, so in numerator 1 plus 1 by t square, we have in numerator 1 plus 1 by t square. So let us take t minus 1 by t equal to y. Why? Because the differentiation of t minus 1 by t is 1 plus 1 by t square. Okay, so t minus 1 by t equal to y. Now differentiation on both sides. So differentiation of t, we get 1. Differentiation of minus 1 by t plus 1 by t square dt equal to dy. Okay, now t minus 1 by t is equal to y, squaring on both sides, t square plus 1 by t square minus 2ab equal to y square. Okay, by using a minus b whole square formula. In this one, t get cancelled, t square plus 1 by t square minus 2 bring the right side, y square plus 2. Okay, okay, now this statement will becomes integral 1 plus 1 by t square dt. Okay, this place we should write dy by t square plus 1 by t square. We get y square plus 2. So y square plus root 2 whole square. So what is the formula? We have integral dx by x square plus a square equal to 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. Okay, by using this formula, integral, where a place and write 1 by root 2. Okay, here a place and write root 2, 1 by a, 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of x by a. So y by root 2 plus c. So 1 by root 2 tan inverse of, in the place of y, we should write t minus 1 by t. Okay, okay, 1 by root 2. In the place of t, we should write, in the place of t, tan x. So 1 by root 2 tan inverse of tan x minus 1 by tan x by root 2 plus c. This is answer. Okay, 1 by root 2 into tan inverse of y by root 2. So tan inverse of, in the place of y, we should write t minus 1 by t by root 2 plus c. So 1 by root 2 times of tan inverse. In the place of t, we should write tan x. So tan x minus 1 by tan x upon root 2 plus c. Let us do LCM. 1 by root 2 times of tan inverse tan square x minus 1 by root 2 times of tan x. So this is answer. Okay, moving to next question. Integral dx by 1 plus x to the power 4. Okay. So let us do multiply and divide by 2. So 1 by 2 times of integral, first write denominator 1 plus x to the power 4. Okay. This 2 can be written as 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square. 1 plus x square plus 1 minus x square. Okay, x square get cancelled. 1 plus 1, 2. Okay, by using 1 by 2 times of, so individual division, 1 plus x square by 1 plus x to the power 4 dx plus integral 1 minus x square by 1 plus x to the power 4 dx. Okay. So let us take first integration is I1, second is I2. So let us take 1 by 2 times of I1 plus I2. So let us take equation 1. Okay, where I1 is integral 1 plus x square by 1 plus x to the power 4, where I2 is second integration. So where I1 is integral 1 plus x square dx by 1 plus x to the power 4. Okay, I2, where I2 is integral 1 minus x square dx by 1 plus x to the power 4. Okay, first we have to find I1 value. Okay, so I1 is equal to 1 plus x square dx by 1 plus x to the power 4. Okay, this is in the model 1 plus x square by 1 plus x to the power 4 plus lambda x square. What is the working rule? Divide x square on numerator as well as denominator. So integral 1 by x square plus 1 dx by, since divide x square, divide and multiply, okay, divide x square on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, this continuation. So divide x square on numerator as well as denominator. 1 by x square plus x square by x square, we get 1 dx by 1 by x square. X to the power 4 by x square is x square. Okay. Let us take in numerator having 1 plus 1 by x square. So let us take x minus 1 by x is equal to t. Why? Because the derivative of x minus 1 by x is 1 plus 1 by x square. Okay, now differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of x, we get 1. Differentiation of minus 1 by x plus 1 by x square dx is equal, differentiation of t, we get dt. Okay, now squaring on both sides, we have to find x square plus 1 by x square. So x square plus 1 by x square minus 2ab. Okay, it will going to be t square. So x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t square plus 2. Okay, therefore integral 1 plus 1 by x square dx expression, we should write dt by x square plus 1 by x square, we have got t square plus 2. So integral dt by t square plus 2. This 2 written as root 2 whole square. This is in the form of 1 by x square plus a square. What is the formula? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a, t by root 2 plus c. So 1 by root 2 times of tan inverse. In the place of t, we should write x minus 1 by x by root 2 plus c. So this is I1 value. Okay, now explain I2 value. So I2 equal to integral 1 minus x square by 1 plus x to the power 4. So what is the working rule? Divide x square on numerator as well as denominator. Okay, it will going to be 1 by x square minus 1 dx by x square plus 1 by x square. Okay, let us take x plus 1 by x is equal to t. Why? Because this derivative is 1 minus 1 by x square. Okay, so 1 by x square minus 1 dx, this place we should write minus dt. Okay, differentiation on both sides. Differentiation of x, we get 1. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square dx is equal to dt. Okay, now squaring on both sides, x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x is equal to t square. Therefore, x square plus 1 by x square is equal to t square minus 2. Plus 2 bring the right side. Okay, now it will going to be 1 by x square minus 1 dx. This value minus dt. Okay, so denominator place we should write t square minus 2. It will going to be dt by, so minus of t square minus 2 is nothing but 2 minus t square. So root 2 whole square minus t whole square. So this is in the form of integral dx by a square minus x square. Integral dx by a square minus x square, this formula 1 by 2a log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. Okay, where a plus n, what value is there? Root 2. So 1 by 2a log of a plus x, root 2 plus t by root 2 minus t plus c. In the place of t, we should write x plus 1 by x. Okay, so 1 by 2 root 2 log of, in the place of t, x plus 1 by x, root 2 minus x plus 1 by x plus c. This is I2 value. Okay, from equation 1, I is equal to I1 plus I2, 1 by 2 times of. So 1 by 2 times of I1 value, already we got I1 value, right? Plus I2 value, this I2 value. This is answer. Okay, the values of I1, I2 substituting in equation 1, where equation 1 is I is equal to 1 by 2 times of I1 plus I2, where I1 value we have got 1 by root 2 tan inverse of x minus 1 by x by root 2, where I2 value 1 by 2 root 2, this value, root 2 plus x plus 1 by x by root 2 minus of x plus 1 by x. Okay, this is answer. Thank you for watching. Remaining problems I will explain on coming class.